Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today I propose to you how to make this lined denim jeans shirt from the Michaels M7638 pattern. To make this shirt we will need denim fabric, lining fabric, here I'm using cotton gauze, some interfacing if your fabric is too lightweight, thread and snap fasteners. And we'll also need scissors, pins, a marking pen, a steam iron and a sewing machine. To start, I pin the pieces of the pattern onto the fabric, respecting the grain line, and I cut everything out. I will do the same with the lining pieces. And I transfer all the pattern notches. To start, I clip the seam allowances on the notches at the front bodice sides. I make a narrow hem, which will be the pocket entry. I pin the right side of the pocket to the wrong side of the front bodice and I stitch along the line marked on the pattern. To make the front patch pocket, I'm going to stitch the flap pieces with the right sides facing together. I cut the corners and turn it right side out. Then, to prepare the pocket, I hem the upper edge and I press the allowances toward the inside. I stitch the pocket in place, top stitching along the edges. Once both of the front pieces are ready, I lay the back on top of the fronts with the right sides facing together. I stitch along the sides and shoulders. I fold the sleeves right sides together and I stitch from the top to the notch. I press the seams open and I baste along the slits. Now I'm going to pin the cuff to the sleeve bottom and I stitch. Next, I pin the sleeves to the armholes, matching the notches, and I stitch. To make the collar, I lay the two pieces right sides together and I stitch along the exterior edges. Then I clip at the corners and I turn the collar right side out. I'm going to baste the collar to the neck edge, matching the center back. Now I'm going to assemble the lining pieces. I lay the lining onto the fabric with right sides facing together and I'm going to stitch the center fronts. Next, I lay the collar on the inside and I stitch the necklines together. I'm also going to stitch the bottom edge, but I leave an opening. I clip the corners of the shirt and the lining together and I turn the shirt right side out. I pass the lining of the sleeves through the denim sleeve and I'm going to baste the sleeve bottoms together. I flip the cuffs to the inside and I pin. Then I top stitch the four cuff edges. I press the center fronts as well as the shirt's bottom, making sure the allowances are pressed toward the inside. And I top stitch the center fronts and the shirt's bottom. I will stitch an additional line 4 cm away from the center fronts. I'm now going to set snap fasteners at the marked placements. I set the buttons at the front pocket and also at the cuffs. And our shirt is finished. Enjoy your sewing and thanks for watching.